Now we will study about the reaction between metal and the solutions of other metal salts. And for that we will perform an activity. Take a clean wire of copper and an iron nail. Put the copper wire in a solution of iron sulfate and the iron nail in a solution of copper sulfate taken in both test tubes. And now wait for 20 minutes. तो क्या आप देख के बता सकते हो कि किस टेस्ट ट्यूब में रिएक्शन हुई है? तो चलो कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन से आयरन नेल को बाहर निकाल के देखते हैं। ओह, नेल का तो कलर ही चेंज हो गया। It happened because of the deposition of copper metal on the surface of the iron nail. The balanced chemical equation for the reaction between iron nail and copper sulfate solution can be written as Fe plus CuSO4 produce FeSO4 plus Cu. Means when iron combines with copper sulfate, it produces iron sulfate and copper. In this reaction, iron replaces the copper and iron sulfate is formed. So that means iron displaces copper from the copper sulfate solution, resulting in the formation of iron sulfate and the deposition of copper metal. So the reaction between iron and copper sulfate is a displacement reaction. So iron is more reactive than copper. So iron replaces the copper. So reactive metals can displace less reactive metals from their compounds in solution or molten form. We already know that all metals are not equally reactive. अब हम आयरन सल्फेट सोल्यूशन से कॉपर वायर को निकाल कर देखते हैं। अरे, इसका भी कलर चेंज हो गया। कॉपर इंटरैक्ट्स विद आयरन सल्फेट एंड प्रोड्यूस कॉपर सल्फेट एंड आयरन। सो द रिएक्शन इज Cu plus FeSO4 produces CuSO4 plus Fe. The copper metal from the wire displaces the iron from the iron sulfate solution, resulting in the formation of copper sulfate and the deposition of iron metal. The observation of a change in color or the formation of a solid precipitate indicates that a reaction has occurred. In this case, we observe that the blue color of the iron sulfate solution fades. This is indicating the formation of copper sulfate, which is usually blue. और जो कॉपर वायर है वो भी रेडिश ब्राउन कलर का हो चुका है। इसका मतलब उस पे आयरन मेटल का डिपोजिशन हो गया है। So this is again a displacement reaction. But here, when a copper wire is placed in an iron sulfate solution and iron nail is placed in a copper sulfate solution, it can be concluded that iron is more reactive than copper. In the test tube with the copper wire in iron sulfate solution, a reaction occurs where copper displaces iron from the iron sulfate solution. When a copper wire is placed in an iron sulfate solution and iron nail is placed in a copper sulfate solution, it can be concluded that iron is more reactive than copper. But how and why we are saying it? अब हम देखते हैं कि कॉपर वायर का क्या हाल है। तो जब हम कॉपर वायर को निकालते हैं तो इसमें कोई कलर चेंज नहीं हुआ, तो इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आया। That means copper does not displace iron from iron sulfate solution. जबकि पहली टेस्ट ट्यूब में कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन भी फेड होता गया था और आयरन नेल ब्लू हो गई थी। So hence prove iron is more reactive than copper.